Hello everyone, Grandma here.
And Grandpa.
We're going to do a Long Island accent check and we have a list of words to pronounce. Long Island,
Long Island.
New York,
New York.
walk,
Walk.
dog,
Dog.
water,
Water.
daughter,
Daughter.
coffee,
Coffee.
talk,
Talk.
car,
Car.
mall,
Mall.
chocolate,
Chocolate.
calamari,
Calamari.
sausage and peppers,
Sausage and peppers.
bumper to bumper,
Bumper to bumper.
elementary,
Elementary.
drawer,
Drawer.
syrup,
Syrup.
caramel,
Caramel.
orange,
Orange.
pajamas,
Pajamas.
Mario,
Mario.
store,
Store.
ball,
Ball.
lawn.
Lawn.
How you doing?
Get out of here.
No, you gotta repeat my words.
Come on.
How you doing?
How you doing?
Get out of here.
Get out of here.